Have you ever wondered what might be the ultimate fate of our home galaxy, the Milky Way? The Milky Way, our home in the vast cosmos, is a spiral galaxy filled with billions of stars and planets, including our own. Twinkling against the black canvas of space, it's an awe-inspiring sight that's been a source of wonder for generations. Yet, as we gaze into the night sky, we might overlook a startling reality. The Milky Way is not eternal. Yes, you heard that correctly. As constant as the Milky Way seems to us, it's subject to the same laws of physics as everything else in the universe. Over billions of years, cosmic forces beyond our comprehension could transform it or even cause it to vanish entirely. This is not a tale from science fiction, but a topic of serious scientific study. Astronomers and cosmologists have been pondering the fate of our galaxy for decades. If you're intrigued, keep listening as we dive into the scientific theories that suggest our galaxy might disappear. Imagine two colossal galaxies speeding towards each other at about 400,000 kilometers per hour. Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, right? Well, this isn't a plot from a blockbuster movie, but a real-life cosmic event that's set to take place in the distant future. Astronomers have long speculated about the impending collision between our home, the Milky Way, and our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now you might be wondering, how can we predict such an event? The answer lies in the blue shift of the Andromeda Galaxy. You see, most galaxies are moving away from us, causing their light to redshift or move towards longer, redder wavelengths. But Andromeda is different. Its light is blue shifted, indicating that it's moving towards us, not away. But there's more to this theory than just the blue shift. Astronomers have been simulating galaxy collisions for decades, using some of the most powerful supercomputers on Earth. These simulations allow us to visualize the unimaginable, the chaotic dance of billions of stars and clouds of gas and dust, all pulled together by the relentless force of gravity. And according to these simulations, in about 4 billion years, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way, creating a spectacular cosmic event that would be visible even from Earth. So what will happen when these two galaxies collide? Will it be a catastrophic event with stars colliding and exploding in a fiery spectacle? Interestingly, no. Despite the mind-boggling number of stars in both galaxies, the vast distances between them mean that actual star-on-star collisions will be extremely rare. Instead, the galaxies will merge over time, their shapes distorting due to the complex gravitational interactions before finally settling into a new, larger galaxy. So, in about 4 billion years, our serene night sky might become a chaotic dance of stars and gas. But will this be the end of the Milky Way? When two spiral galaxies collide, do they simply vanish? Not exactly. Let's talk about a cosmic dance. A dance where two galaxies, each carrying billions of stars, are set on a collision course. But instead of a catastrophic end, they merge and transform. This is the fate of our Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. They're set to collide, not in a dramatic explosion, but in a gradual merging process. Now, you might be wondering, what will become of our Milky Way? Will it be lost in the cosmic shuffle? The answer is a bit complex. The Milky Way, as we know it, will indeed cease to exist. But that doesn't mean it will simply disappear into oblivion. Instead, scientists theorize that the collision will give birth to a new elliptical galaxy. This is not a random hypothesis, but one based on observations of similar collisions in the vast universe. When galaxies collide, they don't just smash into each other and disintegrate. Instead, they interact gravitationally, pulling and tugging at each other, their stars jostling and rearranging. Over billions of years, this cosmic tug-of-war smooths out the distinctive spiral structure, leading to a more uniform elliptical shape. It's like kneading dough. You start with separate ingredients: flour, water, yeast, each with its own identity. But as you knead, they merge and transform into something new. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are like those ingredients, set to transform into an elliptical galaxy, a new cosmic entity. The uniformity of elliptical galaxies is another clue supporting this theory. Unlike the swirling, chaotic beauty of spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies are more homogeneous. They're the mature, settled counterparts of their spiral siblings, often found at the heart of galaxy clusters, suggesting they've been through the cosmic mill, undergoing galactic collisions and mergers. So, when the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, they won't just vanish. They'll transform, merging into a new elliptical galaxy. Our Milky Way will become part of something bigger, something new. In this new elliptical galaxy, the Milky Way will be unrecognizable. But is there another way our galaxy could disappear? Dark matter, the invisible and mysterious component of our universe, might play a role in the disappearance of galaxies. Let's break it down. Dark matter is a theoretical substance invisible to the human eye and even our most advanced instruments. Yet, we believe it exists because of the gravitational effects it appears to exert on celestial bodies. It's like the unseen puppet master, pulling the strings of the cosmos. Now, how does it tie into the fate of galaxies? Well, theories suggest that dark matter could in fact cause galaxies to disperse over time. It's a bit like adding an extra pinch of salt into a soup. It might not seem like much, but it can drastically alter the taste. Similarly, the influence of dark matter might subtly, yet profoundly, affect the structure and lifespan of galaxies, causing them to scatter into the cosmic soup. So, whether by collision or dispersion, the Milky Way's days seem numbered. It's a bit unsettling, isn't it? The thought that our home galaxy might one day disappear. We've delved into the fate of the Milky Way, exploring the possibility of a colossal collision with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy. The sheer force of this event could dramatically reshape our galaxy, transforming it from its familiar spiral form into an elliptical galaxy. The role of dark matter, the invisible and mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe, is also a crucial part of this cosmic tale. It's the unseen hand guiding the motion and evolution of galaxies, potentially influencing the final outcome of our Milky Way. These cosmic events, while seemingly distant and abstract, offer a humbling perspective on our place in the universe. The future of the Milky Way is uncertain and filled with cosmic drama. But remember, these changes are billions of years in the future. For now, we can only marvel at the beauty and mystery of our Milky Way.